Hello, this is a short presentation on how to install an integration patch in Netcool Omnibus version 8.1. We will walk through installing the package on Linux, then configure and run the installed product. In this example, the ping probe will be installed and configured. It is best practice to check the product works following an installation, so as to ensure the installation was successful. The install command resides in a subdirectory of the install user's home directory and takes the options -C to set the console mode, install to define the product to be installed, -repositories to define the product's package file. In this case we want to install the probe, so specify the integrations product, nco-p-ping, and the file downloaded from the IBM site, which is in the local directory, and define this as the repository. The file name is im-nco-p-ping-7_0.zip. To see all the available options for the imcl command, use -help. The imcl utility is interactive unless specified otherwise, and can be used to list the install packages using list installed packages. When installing the product from a repository, you will be asked to confirm the product found is the one you want to install. In this case, the ping probe. Check the text and then hit return. You will then be asked to confirm your agreement to the license conditions. You must agree to continue with the installation. Your target installation details are provided to confirm that you are installing the correct product. Check the text and then hit return. Finally, you are reminded which product you chose to install. In this example, the ping probe. Check the text and then hit return to install the package. A percentage complete bar is shown until the installation is completed, which should be a matter of seconds, and then you are prompted to finish or exit the installation. To check that the product was installed successfully, move to the directory where the probe or gateway was installed and run the -version option. In this example, the ping probe has given its version details. Some products require additional third-party libraries or jar files before they will provide the version details. Therefore, check the documentation before concluding there was a problem with the installation. It is good practice to check the product works after installing it. You can do this by performing a basic configuration. For probe integrations, the property file is located in the probe's platform directory. With the ping probe, you need to configure a list of hosts. Edit the default ping.file and add the local host to it for testing. Save and exit the ping.file. Check that the object server you want to connect to is alive. Use ping if you find the object server is unavailable. Then check the $nchome-etc-omni.dat file is configured correctly, and then run the nco-igen command. Both the host and object server port need to be available for the nco-ping command to work successfully. Edit the default property file, ping.props. Add in the minimum property details. For the ping probe, only the ping file is required. No name resolution and pole interval were added here as well. The default target object server is ncoms. Before attempting to run the product, make sure that the user's environment has the right settings. The minimum settings for Linux are a valid nchome, lc_all, and lang. Run the product from the command line and log all the details to the command line. This makes it easier to determine what is happening. If the debug message level is too verbose to spot error messages, try using message level info. Otherwise, check the debug login to ensure the product works as expected. With the ping probe, we expect to see the local host pinged periodically every 60 seconds, as we have defined in the ping.file and property file. Allow the product to run for a while in case there are any issues. After a time, use Ctrl+C to exit the probe and wait for the command prompt to return. Then check for stale processes. The Netcool Omnibus version 8 install package is a lot larger because it includes all of the supported platform software. Download the required product file and use the imcl tool to install the product, whose details are contained in the file name of the downloaded file. For example, nco-p-ping, which is added to the end of the dot notated class type file name, com.imcl ibm.tivoli.omnibus.integrations.